It's a 2018 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, automatic with driver control suspension management, and power heated mirrors. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Hurry in today for a test drive.
We hope you enjoyed this virtual walk-around at Ken Houtz Chevrolet Buick. We're conveniently located at 6404 George Washington Memorial Highway in Gloucester, Virginia.